Dell laptop won't turn on. So what to do if your Dell PC fails to boot or won't power on at all? So if you're facing this issue, then you need to make sure that your laptop is in a properly ventilated place and nothing is blocking the vents. The first step is disconnect the AC adapter or power cord, and the second step is you can remove the battery. But if you're not being able to remove the battery, then third step is you can press and hold down the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain residual power. And the fourth step is to reconnect the AC adapter and the battery. Try to turn on your Dell laptop. If the residual power was causing the problem, your laptop should work like a charm now. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.